want to talk about TopSurveys today. Not to hype it up, not to bury it, just to give you the real picture. What it is, how much it actually pays, and whether it's worth your time after all. Because most reviews I've seen fall into one of two camps. Either they're like too overly positive, sponsored fluff with a referral link at the end, of course, or they're unfairly harsh about something that honestly does what it says it does. I went through the real data, some independent reviews, and actual payment proofs from real users, and here's what I found. Let's go. So TopSurveys is a paid survey platform managed by Prime Insights Group. You sign up for free, you answer surveys, you complete app and game offers, and earn cash or gift cards. It's similar to freecash.com, if you've ever heard about it. I'm sure you did. And this one, TopSurveys, is available in 40 plus countries: US, Canada, UK, Australia, Philippines, South Africa, and more. No upfront cost to join, no hidden fees, but the first thing you do after signing up is complete a short profile questionnaire. This is about a minute of your time. It pays you a $1 bonus just for doing it, and it helps the platform match you to relevant surveys. The interface is clean. Surveys show you the payout, the time estimate, and a star rating from other users. That's really, really good. You always know exactly what you're getting paid. There's no weird point system, no conversion math, and that alone puts it ahead of most survey sites. Here's what makes TopSurveys different from most of its competitors. The biggest frustration with survey sites, and everyone who's used them knows this, it's getting screened out. You spend 10 minutes answering some pre-screening questions, you think you're about to get paid, and then you get disqualified. It's genuinely one of the most annoying things in the side hustle space. TopSurveys build their whole platform around fixing this. Their main claim is that you almost never get disqualified, and based on real testing from multiple independent reviewers, it actually holds up. One reviewer cashed out after completing just 4 surveys with no screenouts. I studied some of these people and they confirmed the same thing. A few short pre-screening questions at most, and then you're in. That's a real differentiator, and it makes the experience noticeably less frustrating than other platforms. So how much it actually pays? Well, the numbers, I'm going to be honest here, most surveys on TopSurveys pay between 30 cents to $2.5. Occasional high-value surveys hit $4 or $5, but those come and go quickly, of course. The lower end, from 15 cents to 25 cents surveys exist too, but they're not the majority. Based on multiple independent testers, the realistic earning rate is about $3 to $4 per hour from surveys alone. That's actually one of the higher rates in the paid survey space. One reviewer earned $7 in about 2 hours of testing, another documented $20 in a single day, a mix of surveys and gaming offers. One longer-term user built up $80.43. These are lifetime earnings across surveys, app downloads, and games. Monthly earnings for active users typically range from $20 to $100, and that's consistent across multiple real reports. It's not a life-changing money, of course, but let's be clear about that. But you're filling in 20 to 30 minutes surveys on your lunch break or in front of the TV. $50 to $70 a month is realistic. The platform has a good rating on Trustpilot. It's 4.1 out of 5 as we speak. There's a lot of reviews, over 6,000 of reviews, and there's a good rating on Google Play as well. That's not nothing. This suggests the majority of real users are having a decent experience after all. Now, there is a second way to earn on TopSurveys: gaming and app download offers. Some of these headline numbers look wild, like there's going to be a game which tells you that you can get $600 for playing one game. And yes, that's technically possible, but you have to hit dozens of milestones to get there. Some of those milestones require spending your own money on in-game purchases. That's not what I suggest. but the more realistic approach is to stick with the lower milestone offers. Just download an app, open it, maybe reach level 2, 4, 5, that kind of thing. It's quick, easy, and no money out of pocket. One real user made $50 in a single cash out from a mix of surveys and gaming offers, and that's the upside when you combine both methods and catch a good offer at the right time. But do not go in expecting free hundreds of dollars from gaming. The high-paying offers exist. They just take serious time and some serious grind and sometimes real money out of your pocket. Now, cashing out, I watched a lot of people talk about it, but it's slightly different now. The video I studied mentions a $5 minimum cash out, but based on the updated research, the first cash out requires $20 minimum. After your first withdrawal, the minimum drops to $5. So the first one is still $20, and then after that, it reduces itself to $5. It's still low compared to many competitors, but worth knowing before you sign up, expecting to cash out immediately. Payment options are solid. There's PayPal, there's bank transfers, and over 150 gift card options. That's really good. Multiple reviewers confirmed same day or next day PayPal payments. No delays, no chasing support, no funny business, and that reliability matters more than people give it credit for. A survey site that pays fast and consistently is genuinely rare. Now, the honest downsides. Every review should have this section. Here's what's not perfect. One reviewer flagged something worth knowing. Sometimes surveys show a higher payout up front, and by the time you finish, you were paid less than advertised. The survey also took longer than estimated, and that's frustrating, and it does happen. Not constantly, but it's real. The availability of surveys also varies a lot by country. If you're outside the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, your survey volume will likely be lower. Also, there's no iOS app yet, only Android, so iPhone users are stuck with the browser version of it, and the earnings ceiling is just genuinely low. $20 to $100 a month is realistic for most active users. If you're hoping to replace income or build something meaningful financially, this isn't the tool for that. So, who it's actually for? Here's how I frame it honestly. TopSurveys is genuinely one of the better survey platforms available right now. The no disqualification model is real and it works. The pay rates are competitive for the category. The payment is fast and reliable, but let's be clear about what this is. It's coffee money. It's lunch money. A small buffer on a slow month. It's not a side hustle you build a plan around. It is something you do while you're already doing something else, while you're watching TV, waiting for an appointment, while you're waiting, just killing time. If that's what you're looking for, TopSurveys is a solid option, probably one of the better ones in the space right now. If you're looking for something that compounds, something that grows and builds into real income over time, this isn't it. You'd want to look at digital products or some freelance work or content creation for that. That's just more work and, of course, more profit. So, TopSurveys, it's legit. It pays reliably. Low disqualification rate is real. $50 to $75 a month if you're consistent and active as well. It's not a scam, but it's not a gold mine. Exactly what it says it is. It's worth signing up if you want an easy, low-effort way to earn a little extra on your spare time. Just go in with your eyes open about what it actually pays and whether it's worth your time or not. So, if you've got some free time, hit it and see what you can get with it. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.